Hey, this is Teacher Pepe speaking, and today we are going to review Unit 3, the classification of living things. And we are going to start with the vertebrate animals. We are going to learn today the animal kingdom, so vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are multicellular animals that have a spinal column, a backbone. And these vertebrates are classified into 5 different groups: mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, and amphibians. Let's see the characteristics of each group. Group number 1, mammals. If we talk about respiration, all mammals have lungs to breathe air. Their bodies are covered by skin and hair or fur. Normally, terrestrial mammals have 4 legs and a tail, for example, a pig, a cat, a dog. But aquatic mammals have fins for swimming. Aquatic mammals have fins for swimming, like a dolphin or a whale. And if we talk about reproduction, almost all mammals are viviparous. They are born directly from their mothers, and the mother feeds milk to their babies. Group number 2, birds. Birds have lungs to breathe air. Birds have aerodynamic bodies. Their bones are thin and light so they can fly. Extremities. Birds have four extremities, 2 legs and 2 wings. And talking about reproduction, birds are oviparous. They lay eggs. Group number 3, reptiles. Reptiles have also lungs to breathe air. And the bodies of the reptiles, their bodies are covered by hard scales, very hard scales, to protect their body. Some other reptiles have a shell, such as tortoises and turtles. Extremities. Many of the reptiles have 4 legs, but there are some reptiles, like snakes, that they don't have any legs. And reproduction. Reptiles are oviparous. They are born from eggs. They lay eggs. Group number 4, fish. Fish have gills to breathe oxygen. Remember that fish are aquatic animals, so they have gills to breathe oxygen. They have a long body that is covered with scales. And to move around, fish have fins and tails. They use them to swim and change direction. Remember, they don't have any legs. They have fins and tails, so they can swim and they can change direction. And they are also oviparous. They lay eggs. Okay, so group number 5, amphibians. This is the last group of the vertebrates. And this is a little bit more difficult because they change sometimes, like for example here in respiration. When they are young, they have gills to breathe in water. But when they become adults, they grow lungs, breathe air, and live on land. So when they are young, they live in the water and they have gills to breathe inside the water. But when they become adults, they go outside the water, so they grow lungs and they can breathe air and live on land. Their bodies have thin and smooth skin. Their bodies are covered by a thin and smooth skin. And extremities, they have 4 legs, and some of them also have a tail. They have 4 legs, and some of them they also have a tail. But sometimes when they are very young, they don't have any legs. For example, a tadpole, which is a baby frog, they don't have any legs when they are babies, but when they grow adults, they grow these legs. And reproduction, they are oviparous animals. They are born from eggs.